Welcome to Scoop Knowledge. This video contains 20 unique questions related to plants. You have to choose the correct answer from the 4 different options. Try to keep track of your points to test your knowledge about plants. Come on, let's begin. Which plant have breathing roots which grow above the ground? Lotus, mangroves, pine, peepal. Mangroves. Mangroves grow in swamps and marshes. Their roots grow above the ground. The plant takes in air through the roots, hence it is known as breathing roots. Which type of seeds grow in pots? Cereals, coffee, pulses, cocoa. Pulses. Pulses are part of the legume family, but the term pulse refers only to the edible seed within the pod. Beans, lentils, chickpeas and split peas are the most common type of pulses. From which tree do we get gum? Kikar, banyan, pine, teak. Kikar. Kikar is a small thorny tree. The gum of this tree is used to make glue. Green plants make their own food with the help of leaf plate, stomata, chlorophyll, veins. Chlorophyll. Green plants has a pigment called chlorophyll. It is because of this pigment plants appear green in color. Chlorophyll absorbs light from the sun and helps the plant to prepare their own food through photosynthesis. Which part of the plant allows air to flow in and out of the plant? Leaf blade, stomata, veins, roots. Stomata. Stomata is tiny openings in underside of the leaf. It can be seen only through the microscope. Exchange of gases takes place through stomata. Which part of the plant prepare their own food through photosynthesis? Roots, stems, leaves, flowers. Leaves. Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants use sunlight to synthesize foods from carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis in plants generally involves the green pigment chlorophyll and generates oxygen as a byproduct. Which among these is a non-green plants? Coral root, maple, lotus, rose. Coral root. Coral root is a non-green plant. It is a non-photosynthetic orchids. This type of plants cannot prepare their own food through photosynthesis. The spotted coral root is found throughout most of the United States and has the white flowers spotted with purple. Which among these is the insectivorous plants? Dandelion, Indian pipe, tape grass, Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant native to subtropical wetlands on the east coast of United States in North Carolina and South Carolina. When an insect or spider crawling along the leaves contact a hair, The trap prepares to close, snapping shut only if another contact occurs within approximately 20 seconds of the first strike. Which among these is a floating plant? Duckweed, water lily, lotus, mangroves. Duckweed. Duckweed is a water plant. The whole fresh plant is used to make medicine. People use duckweed for swelling of the main airway in the lung. From where do a baby plant inside the seeds get its nutrients? Seed coat, pore, cotyledons, soil. Cotyledons. Cotyledons are the first leaf produced by plants. Cotyledons are not considered true leaves and are sometimes referred to as seed leaves because they are actually a part of the seed or embryo of the plant. The scientific study of plant life is known as what? Physics, zoology, botany, chemistry. Botany. Botany, also called plant science, plant biology or phytology, is a science of plant life and a branch of biology. A botanist, plant scientist or phytologist is a scientist who specializes in this field. Which among the plants belong to the group creepers? Strawberry, beans, lady's finger, tomato. Strawberry. The fruit is widely appreciated for its characteristic aroma, bright red color, juicy texture and sweetness. The antioxidant-rich strawberries can help improve the heart health, increase HDL cholesterol levels, and lower your blood pressure. What is the source of energy for producers? The wind, the earth, the sun, soil. The sun. Producers include green plants, which produce food through photosynthesis, an autotrophic organism that serves as a source of food for other organisms in a food chain. What kind of organisms comes last in every food chain? Omnivores, consumers, decomposers, producers. Decomposers. Decomposers are organisms that break down dead or decaying organisms. Like herbivores and predators, decomposers are also heterotrophic organisms. What for the transpiration a process in plants is responsible? Making of food, making of water, losing food. Losing water. Transpiration is the process of water movement through a plant and its evaporation from aerial parts such as leaves, stems and flowers. Water is necessary for plants, but only a small amount of water taken up by the roots is used for the growth and metabolism. The remaining 97 to 99.5% is lost by transpiration and guttation. Which part of the plants help in preventing soil erosion? Roots, flowers, stems, leaves. Roots. The tree root prevents soil erosion because they keep the soil strong and binded to the land. Solid soil reacts better to environmental circumstances such as heavy downpour and winds. If you have an eroding soil in your area, consider planting a tree to help bring your soil back to life. Which of these plant parts can grow into a fruit, root, stem, flower, leaf? Flower. After fertilization through the act of pollination, the flower's ovary becomes swollen and turns into a fruit. The flower's ovules found inside the ovary hardens and becomes the seed inside the fruit. Which part of the plant carries water and other nutrients to all other parts of the plant? Flower, fruit, stem, root. Stem. Stems carry water and nutrients taken up by the root to the leaves. Then the food produced by the leaves move to the other parts of the plant. The cells that do this work are called xylem cells. Which is the largest flower? Rafflesia, tulip, lotus, rose. Rafflesia. Rafflesia is a genus of parasitic flowering plants. It consists approximately 28 species, all found in Southeast Asia, mainly in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and the Philippines. What is the characteristic features of a desert plant? Leaf has a waxy coating. The leaves will be spongy. The leaves store water in the stem. They have spines and thorns. They have spines and thorns. The thorns on desert plants are usually their leaves, not thorns at all. To cope with the hot, dry environment, these plants have evolved and adapted. Their stems grew faster in order to store water, and their leaves grew smaller and tougher to reduce loss of water through the leaves. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.